Umarangkada sa Cebu City ang Innovation and Technology Transfer Summit Visayas 2024. Layunin ng event na magamit ang mga government-funded projects sa commercialization. Si Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu sa detalye.
Ginanap ang Innovation and Technology Transfer Summit Visayas 2024. Paraan ito ng Department of Science and Technology na masigurong mapakinabangan ng mga nasa business sector sa pangunguna ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry ang iba't ibang mga government-funded projects ng mga mag-aaral. Maaari kasi itong ma-adopt at mabigyan ng Technology Licensing Agreement.
Is to match, no, or to lead those generators, technology generators, present what they have done, also what are the available technologies, and for the business sectors, the communities to know about it, so that they can use these technologies.
There are a lot of entrepreneurs who may not know that there are researches already done, and with the help of the OST, that they can work together and elevate more. So we're glad that the OST is extending your helping hand now, and we hope that our members will take up this opportunity.
Maliban sa pagmungkahi ng mga makabagong research projects o technologies, may mga diskurso din sa best practices at practical tech solutions na dinaluhan ng mga mag-aaral.
The topics that is being presented here really like something na parang may lesson kaming makukuha. Like, we want it na yung mga research na ginagawa namin, it's not just going to be like for paper alone or for submission alone. We want it to like be helpful to the country and to whatever innovation it can like provide for other people.
Inilunsad din ng DOST Region 7 ang Advanced Manufacturing o AMSEN at ang Innovation Hub o iHub. Misyon nitong mapalakas ang regional development at industrial competitiveness. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.